Do you want to learn to trade fast? You can start today. Zero to hero trader is the only way. If the market's going up, if it's going down, you can make money and we'll show you how. Our system can work for everyone. Join us for some trading fun. Zero to hero trader, learn to trade in no time. Watch our videos and be sure to subscribe.
Hello guys, this is Trader Sarab from Zero to Hero Trader, and today is July 20th, 2020, and today I'm going to be showing you my scalping, how I scalp on SPY. I do things a little differently than most people do. I don't really just buy options, which I do sometime during the morning time, and usually it's getting around, it is 10:49 right now, so it's getting close to 11 o'clock, and usually theta decay starts kicking in, which is a time decay on the options. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to be taking advantage of that and having the time decay working in my favor, and I'm going to be doing option selling scalping. So I'll show you how I work, and I just do it for, just for fun.
Lancet Horton says could have a
I already
vaccine
made
in the
some
first half of
money,
2021.
and this is just to, show a couple of people how you can do it, make some extra money, and the opportunity is scalable, so you can scale it. So, you know, this could be a long video because my plan is to just do, let's see how much I can make in 1 hour. And I'm going to be doing with a small amount. But the thing is, you do need a big account because when you're scalping, you're buying option contract and you're selling it. Usually, if you're buying options, then usually it's not a problem because you can do it on a cash account and you don't need a big account. But in this one, when you're selling options, you do need a margin, and for that you do need a big account because you're doing option scalping. So you're gonna be scalping more than 3 or 4 times in a
WHO
hour, and you're
now
gonna be going over the PDT rule.
providing
So
an
that's the only
update.
restriction, but this strategy works beautifully. You can scalp it, like tender contracts or whatever, and it shouldn't be a problem, and a lot of time it works in your favor. So I'm going to be going in and out, and I'll try to edit the videos so this way you don't have to, just be in when things are not really moving and just watching the whole long hour video. So I'll try to make 5-10 minute video and show you my entries and exit and what's going on. Right now, I'm seeing SPY's had a crazy one up. Our script showed a nice entry right here. This is on 1 minute that the move continue up there. Right now it's creating a wave down, and I'm going to be jumping in when creating like next move up, and hopefully when it's breaking out. So we'll see how it goes. Um, and you can see UVXY also, and I'm watching Amazon, so it gives me like a little view of what the market is doing based on the whole UVXY is a fear index. Amazon usually is one of the bigger stocks, so a lot of time it has enough weight to pull SPY. So Amazon, Apple, Microsoft usually has move similarly, and they can move the market and the SPY sector itself. So I'll keep you updated as we go through this. Hello guys, this is around 1:15 and a little over 2 hours, and normally I don't trade for this long, but today was an exception because I was in a trade and I was seeing a couple of good things, so I was like, you know what, let me go on. So I'm up $336 today scalping options SPY contract, and that's including the first trade I took as a loss. So let me show that with you. So you can see the first contract, I sold it at 96, I covered at 106, so I actually took an $80 loss. The next contract, I sold it at 104, I covered at 89, so that's a $120 profit. Next contract, $80 profit. Next contract, $120 profit. Next contract, $56 profit. Next contract, $40 profit. So that was 6 trades I took, one of them loser, and trading losses are part of the trading. You cannot be 100%. You cannot let one trade messes you up. So you always have to cut your losses, move on to the next opportunity. If you're wrong, you're wrong. There's nothing wrong with cutting your losses and moving on to the next trade rather than holding on to that loser. In this case, it would have all worked out, and I know that's the reason why I do the strategy, because most of the time it will work out, but I'd rather be, you know, still not have losses. Like I know this strategy works very well and works even if it moves against you. A lot of time it will come back in your favor, but no reason to be highest and like holding on to the loser. So I cut my losses because you never know. The market can just continue to drop and then I'm holding a big loss. All right, so you saw this and chart. You can see the SPY just been like going up. So I just sold puts rather than buying calls. Give me like a little extra push. If you understand options, you'll find out, like option, the time decay and everything is a bitch, and you can sometimes when you're selling option, you can have it working in your favor, but it does require a bigger account. It does require margin. So Tesla has been a beast. So for 1 hour, it really broke out of it. You can see it's up like $80, $90. I did not trade that. If I was, I would have done a lot better. And same thing for Amazon, has been a beast today the whole day. It's up $171 from the opening. So, I mean from the yesterday close, which is Friday close, but you get the idea. And, SPY is the same thing, it's been moving up. And that's what I just stick with the trend. Trend is your friend. So that's why I just sold puts and covered them at a lot lower price. And a couple of times you can see this right here. This is the first fake out where I got in, and a couple of times happens, where you just have to learn how to trade. If you have a trading plan, it's really going to help you in a longer run, and it's going to be allow you to be profitable consistently. And so I'm going to be making a little more videos next time. Maybe I'll put the actual timing where I actually took it on the SPY contract, on the SPY itself rather than the SPY contract, so you can see like a little bit better. We'll show you something differently. Alright guys, so this is it for today, and I'll catch you in the next video. Hopefully you got something, or you see how to do scalping differently, because the way I trade is completely different than everybody else. Personally, I don't know anybody else who scalp the way I scalp, because option selling scalping, where I don't know any other retailer that actually does it. So if you're one of those trader, connect with me. I like to learn a little more, and I like to share the way I do it. So this way, we can help each other, and it will be another person that I know that actually does it beside me. So it's a very good strategy, very profitable, and hopefully you guys learned something, and make sure to click like and subscribe. And I'm going to be making more of these videos so you guys can see how easy it is to be consistently profitable without having to put too much money down on different strategies. And you can scale this strategy up, and I'll show you like scaling up like a little bit higher. Right now I have a lot of other position in my account, so I don't want to be taking a huge risk and doing with like 50-100 contract. But maybe, who knows, in like next couple of months when I sell out of a couple of the positions and cover a couple of my shorts, I'll probably like increase that. So you'll see how I do it throughout this thing, and see the profit, how I'm profiting and those profit increasing. Alright guys, see you in the next video.